Hello friends, this is my another video regarding with the class 7th. The chapter is the institution of democracy. What we are actually going to discuss here, some points are election. We are going we are just going to discuss about the elections, the role of Election Commission of India and the political parties and their role or the importance. And at last we will discuss about the coalition government. Okay, now we are coming to our first point. Okay, before that I'm going to introduce about this chapter, a brief introduction I would like to give you. Okay, are you ready? Yes. India, as you all know, India is a democratic country. India, there is a parliament kind of democracy. The parliament is is the house where the government resides, or we can say it is the form of government. The democracy is the government elected by the people. Okay, now we are coming to the topic, which is the institution of democracy. First of all, we are going to discuss about the election. What do you mean by the election? Elections is nothing but the choosing of the representative. Actually, India is divided into different constituencies. There are so many constituencies are there in India. For that constituency, either that constituency belongs to the state government or that belongs to the national central government. Each constituencies, they are having one representative of the people. That representative is actually elected by the people, remember. Okay, so we can say it is the process of choosing our representative. What? It is the process of choosing our representative. Election is the process. Okay, what? Now the election is done by the Election Commission of India. Okay, election is done by the Election Commission of India, which is headed by Election Commissioner, which is elected by the President of our country. Okay, now yes, what actually Election Commission of India did? They conduct free and fair election. They conduct free and fair election in our country. Okay, now ECI also registers the voters. How many voters are there? It is registered by the Election Commission of India. Okay, and they allotted the different symbols to the we can say the political parties. There are different symbols. Okay, like there are so many parties are there. The BJP having a symbol which is lotus, Congress having symbol of this one, like this. Okay, yes, and there is another national party. There are so many national parties. We will discuss it later. Okay, now what happened actually? What actually, it is a very complex process. It takes lots of time out there. What is the voting process? We are coming to the. It is done by the, yes, you all know. It is done by the Election Commission. Okay, participants. The voting process is done. What we can say, it is the process, or it is the primary process by which we form the government. Okay, all the people who are the participants in elections, all the people who get 18 years of age or above, they all universally they got to cast their vote. Okay, that is called universal adult franchise. Universal adult. Why it is universal? Because it is given to all by the constitution. Okay, no one can be discriminated, no one can be stopped for casting vote, okay, on the basis of skin color, on the basis of caste system, on the basis of religion, reason. There's not a single basis. Okay, so it is called universal adult franchise. Every person, every people of 18 years of age. Okay. Now what happened on the election day? The people cast their vote with the help of EVM. EVM, what is EVM? EVM is the electronic voting machine. It is the machine. Okay. Before EVM, we use the ballot papers. Ballot boxes में ballot paper डाले जाते थे और बाद में count होते थे. Okay. Same thing is done here, but we use the electronic equipment that is called electronic voting machine, EVM. Okay. After completion of casting votes, that machine was shielded, then it taken to some kind of centers out there in the different districts or different constituencies. Then what the date is given for the result, on that day they open. Okay. After opening, the person who is getting, counting takes place, definitely the counting takes place. After opening, candidate, that candidate who got the highest number of votes in that constituencies, he is representative, he became the representative of that constituency. He declared win. Okay. He actually won that constituency. Okay. Yes. What is the importance of election commission? So many importance are there. Ensures the participants that who is going to be the good candidate for you. It allowed the people's the different or choices. We can say we are able to choose our representative. There will be so many representatives. Okay, one of them we can choose. Okay, then it ensures the accountability of the people. It ensures the accountability of the government. Okay, actually we form the government. But definitely government should be responsible for us. Okay, that's why it shows the accountability of government as well as the accountability of the people. Okay, now the next one is the political parties. How does it work? Democracy, this is the important thing. Okay, we are having different choices in the form of political party. Okay, or we can say what is political party? First of all, yes, the group of like-minded peoples. Political party, this one, the political party is the group of like-minded peoples. It's a group of like-minded. They are having the same thoughts. They are having the same kind of brain. They are similar in most of the aspects, especially in the thinking aspects or political aspects. Okay? All the political parties are recognized by Election Commission of India. Okay? Then they identified by the unique symbol. All the political parties are identified by the unique symbol. Okay? Types. Basically, in our country, the political parties are having two types. One is the national party. Okay? One is the national party. That party which is able to form the government. Okay? The party which is having at least 4 states which are working in the 4 states, okay, or more than 4 states, can be considered as a national party. Another one is the state party. The state party which is within a single state or more than one, but that should be less than 4 states. Okay. Now some examples of national parties. Basically, so many parties are there, but some of the important parties are BJP, Congress, BSP, CPI, CPIM, National Congress Party, NCP. Okay, these are some of the national parties. State parties, SP is there, who ruled in Uttar Pradesh so many times. Akali Dal in Punjab is again the state political parties. AIADMK in Tamil Nadu, again state party. And another one, there is a ruling party in Maharashtra, Shiv Sena, again a state party. AAP in Delhi, so many parties are there which works as a state parties. Okay. Now I am coming to the last section. What is the importance? It is not actually the last section. Okay, but we are coming to this one. The importance of political parties. Okay. Now, yes, it provides enough choices. Political parties provides us so many choices. Okay, there are so many parties are contesting elections out there. We are having many choices. Okay, form public opinion. They form the public opinion in rallies, by rallies, and so many other methods. They are forming the public opinion. They just prove themselves that we are the best for you. Vote for us. Okay. Now, highlight the major problems of our country. If a party, definitely a political party, which is not working as a ruling party, opposition party, always works like that. He always highlights the problems, okay, of the country in front of the ruling party. Okay. And last, it forms the government after winning elections and unite people. Okay. Now we are coming to the end of the section, which is the coalition party. When the political parties, they comes together, they form the coalition government. When there is not a single party is eligible to form the government, then what happened? They got the benefit from, they come along, or they are, okay. Actually, the coalition government is the alliance of group of the different parties, different political parties. Okay. There, for example, NDA. NDA is the coalition of different parties. They form the government in our state as well as in the center also. Okay. The states of Uttar Pradesh as well as centers. It is National Democratic Alliance, in the form of National Democratic Alliance. Okay, this is actually all about this chapter. We will come to we will meet again in the next video. Thank you.